I love this bag. I want to talk about camera bags for just a minute, guys, because if you're anything like me, you might be trying to carry your full-size camera along with your drone now these days. Everybody's carrying a drone, right? So it can be hard to find a bag to accommodate all that. I found one that I really like. The problem is that you can find bags, they're like $100. I don't want to spend $100 on a bag. This one was like 25 bucks on Amazon. I absolutely love it. And the reason I love it, guys, I'm going to show this to you. Most bags have very small openings. The whole thing opens up, and that's the thing I love about this bag. I have access to everything. My drone's sitting up here, so I have no weight on top of it. Like my camera's down at the bottom. So this is nice and safe up here. The remote's here, and you can see my full camera's in here. Now I can't carry extra lenses, but usually I'm very smart. I just pick the lens that I want for the day. And this bag is perfect. It's small, it's compact. It doesn't have to come in purple. You can see on the Amazon link here that you could choose a whole bunch of different colors, red, orange, purple, whatever. Guys, so for $25 to $30, this bag goes with me everywhere now, and I have all of my equipment that I need. And you have pouches on the inside for extra accessories. You have pouches on the sides for your extra accessories. I love this bag. What more do you need? So guys, if that was helpful to you at all, you can check the links down in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll answer every question. If this video was helpful to you at all, do consider leaving it a like and subscribe to the channel, guys, because I'm going to show you stuff like this all the time. The nice thing is you don't have to do it this way. You can rearrange it any way you want. Love it.